Okay, everyone, here are the instructions on how to complete the Japan Geography Hyperdoc. What you're going to do is once you find it in the Google Classroom, you'll click on the assignment. And many of you guys have run into this problem to where you think you can't type on this document. What you got to do is you got to open it in a new window, and we must open with Google Docs. Once you open it with Google Docs, there you have it. Now you can edit your own document for this assignment. All right. So the directions up here say click the link to watch the video on YouTube, then answer the questions below. I am going to click on that link and it will take me to the YouTube video. And of course, we're going to have an advertisement first, but I'm going to skip that. And I will hit pause. Okay, I'll go back to my document. I'm going to look at what number 1 is asking of me. Provide an image of an archipelago of Japan. All right, we do this with our warm-up. I'm going to just type in archipelago. I can click on this image right here. Any of them will do that show an archipelago with this chain of islands out here. I'm going to copy that image. I'm going to go back to my document. I am going to paste. And there you have it. All right, so number 1's taken care of. I'm going to go back to number 2. How many main islands of Japan are there? List them below. Well, if I go to my video, it's going to list that answer in this video. So you got to listen, pay attention, and it will list how many islands of Japan there really are, and you'll list them right here. Now, we're only talking about a couple, okay? We're not looking for more than 5, all right? And then so on and so forth. If I move on to number 3, according to the video, what is the definition of population density? Again, everything in the document that I'm asking is listed in the video. So you just merely watch the video, look for the answers, but I advise you to be aware of these questions, a time at a piece, and then look for them in the video. Okay? I hope that makes sense. Once you complete it, as always, make sure you go back into the Google Classroom and turn it in. Again, as well, always, if you have questions, please email me or add a little comment here in the Google Classroom, and I will surely try my best to answer it. Okay?